Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use image to video in Google Gemini, and that means how we can make a video starting with only a picture. To do that is very simple. You have just to go to Gemini, and after that go to create video, click on it, and after that click on the plus and click photo, upload the photo, click done. And after that, ask Gemini to make, please make me stand up and walk from that picture. And we click send. And we have to wait for about a minute or two. Okay, so our video is ready, and as you can see, Google Gemini transformed our picture to a moving video. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.